I'm currently working with an editor whose name is Mary James. And Mary James is wonderful. She is on it. She's helping to recruit volume editors. She follows through immediately. We get a proposal in for a book volume. She is on it. She is working with these volume editors. She works with them through the contract process. She's very committed. Springer absolutely gets it. In fact, it really was Springer's idea. I mean, I'm delighted that this is the way it worked out, because it's now something that I'm completely and totally committed to. It so speaks to who I am and what I want to do. But I came to Springer with the idea for one volume. They were the ones that independently determined that it was going to be a series. The story is actually very fascinating. I got contacted by Springer, and Springer's editor, whose name was Tiffany at the time, said to me, "We've seen you've written an encyclopedia article on how to integrate energy storage with the intermittent renewable resources, solar and wind, and we would like for you to write a book for us on distributed energy." And I said, "I'd be happy to have a conversation with you." So we had a conversation, and in the conversation I said, "Tiffany, I don't want to write that book on distributed energy, but I do have a book that was published in 2001 on the history of women in engineering. It's now 2014. I would like it to be published by an international publisher, and it needs to be updated and revised, and I'm happy to do that." And that was February of 2014. And in October of 2014, I got an email from Tiffany, and it said, "Jill, here's the concept. We will use your volume, which you will update and revise, as the foundational volume for what will be called the Women in Engineering and Science series." And then Tiffany and I developed the concept. The concept was that each subsequent book after my foundational volume, which would actually be rewritten to provide the impetus for why we were writing all of these other books or putting all these other books together. So each subsequent volume is on a topical area within engineering. There's a volume editor. The volume editor is a woman. There's 10 to 15-ish chapters in each volume. Each of those chapters is written by a woman. And then I said, and there's something really important to me, and that is in the bios that these women are going to write, the chapter authors, the volume editors, it's not the standard bio, name, rank, and serial number, but it's why I chose my field of study, what my proudest moments are, why I stay, the satisfaction I get from my career, so that there is a role modeling piece in the volumes as well.